In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress plugin. As you may know, plugins may be installed in many different ways, but in today's video, I will teach you my 3 methods that I used that always gets the job done. So stay tuned. So we're starting off with method number 1, which is using the WordPress Plugin Directory. You go to your dashboard, and then you look up the plugins, and you click Add New. So now when you're in the WordPress Plugin Directory, here we can find thousands and thousands of free plugins. And now you just have to find the one that you want to use. And let's say I want to use a pop-up. Then I type pop-up and I go search. And as you see, we get a lot of hits, like 82 pages. We have 2,921 plugins. But for this tutorial, we're going to use Pop-Up Builder, the first one. So from here, you need to install the plugin. So you press install now. And now when you've installed your plugin, there's only one thing left to do to actually make it work, and that is to activate it as well. So, and that can be done from 2 pages. One is from this page that we're right on now, the WordPress Plugin Directory, by clicking Activate, or you can go to Install Plugins, look up your plugin that you just installed, and for us that will be this one, and press Activate. Good to know, all those that are blue, they are installed and activated. And the plugins that only have white, they are installed but not activated. That's good to know. But for this tutorial, we're going to install it from this page. So you do that by clicking Activate. And that's it. Now your plugin is installed. And just to make sure, we can scroll down and see where we have it. There you see it, Pop-Up Builder, and you see it's blue. That means it's installed and activated. So let's move along to method number 2, which is uploading a plugin. Let's say you have bought the plugin. You have developed the plugin yourself and you have it on your computer and you need to get it up on your site. That's when you use this method. So to upload a plugin, we go to Plugins, Add New. So instead for searching for a plugin that we want to install, we go to Upload Plugin. And from here you choose your file, choose File, and you locate your plugin that you have on your computer, and you click it, open, and then you click Install. And when installed, you will get the question if you want to activate the plugin right now, or maybe if you want to do it later. And in that case, you can do it under Install Plugins. But we want to activate it right now, so we click Activate. And then when activated, just make sure it's activated as well. So we scroll down, and here's our queue form, and you see it's blue, and it's activated. So that's done. And then we have the third method, which is uploading a plugin using an FTP client. And I can see people using this because it goes much faster. You don't have to wait for WordPress to work while uploading, or you just go to your FTP, you find the right folder, and you drop the plugin, and it's done. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, so first of all, let's go back to the site and uninstall the plugin that we just installed so that we can install the same plugin using the FTP. So we go to Install Plugins, and we install the queue form. Where is it? Here it is. So first of all, to delete it, you need to deactivate first. And first, when it's deactivated, then you can uninstall it. So let's go back. You see here? Now I can activate it or delete it. So I want to delete it. So delete. Okay, so now it's clean. Okay, so we got nothing here, and now we're going to install the same plugin using our FTP client. So we go to FTP clients. I'm using FileZilla, and there are plenty the one you can use, but in this case, for this purpose, I'm going to use FileZilla. So when you log into your account, to your web page, you see the folders. Okay, so first you go to your private folder, you go to Content, and then in your Content folder, you will find Plugins folder. And in this folder are all your plugins installed. You can see here. So now you want to drop your folder with the plugin in this folder. So let's go to our plugin. Here it is, the plugin. You maybe purchased it or developed it yourself. And when you open it, it looks like this. So you need to extract the plugin from the zip file by opening it and put it besides, because you cannot upload the zip file to the FTP. You need to be in folder mode. So first, so yeah, that's great. That's how we want to look. So now we go back to our FTP client and we'll look it up here. Where did I put it now? It's can do it like this as well. Here it is, the Q form. And now I make space. I'm using it smaller, side by side. And now you drag it and you just drop it in a folder. So now it's uploading. Now we can see it's been uploaded. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Okay, so now we see it's added in our folder. So let's now head back to the home page. You see it wasn't here before, so if we click refresh, then it should appear. And there it is, Q form. But now it's not activated, so you need to activate it after you upload it through the FTP. Then just press activate. Done. If you did find this video helpful and you want to learn more about WooCommerce and WordPress, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and stay safe.